And do you think the credibility of his overall testimony then is going to lie in, as Peter talked a bit about, how he handles those challenges to what he calls as obvious conclusions?
Yes, the way he handles the cross-examination is something the jury's going to look to decide on his credibility. And remember, they're going to be comparing his credibility to the credibility of Dr. Pena, who is just a deputy medical examiner who actually I've personally used in a trial before, who came off as a very gregarious, credible witness, and they're going to be comparing that, Dr. Pena's testimony and credibility, to Dr. DeMaio. And ultimately, a lot of the opinions of Dr. DeMaio, I would think in cross-examination, are going to be examined by the prosecutors, and they can pose questions that, in fact, isn't this kind of injury consistent with a shooting by the hands of Phil Spector? That, in other words, Dr. DeMaio's opinions are also consistent with what the prosecution wants to prove. So I think that type of challenge is also going to be present during the cross-examination.